But no, it's not worth it today. Like,
Yeah.
I just have leakage.
Yeah, that's a way easier. Yeah.
I have
Then
no
it's-
liability.
Exactly.
You know, they opted in.
Yep.
They want an offer. It's quicker. I don't have to deal with VAs and managing people. It's just like, bro, the leads just come in and we just do the thing.
Yep.
So, and that's what I tell people too. It's like, yeah, I mean, you can text and cold call, and like that used to be the only method to get deals on a budget.
Right.
But there's risk.
Yep.
Like you could get popped.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. We try to mitigate it
Yeah.
as much as we can.
We actually, I mean, who knows by the time this is out? Yeah, I think it should be out. We're now launching something for the low budget people called lead packs. And basically, they're older leads that my team just doesn't use anymore. Like, because, dude, I mean, we get so many leads every day. They're just focused on the new leads.
How many leads are you guys getting?
Like 20 plus.
Jeez.
So they're focused on the new leads. And then after a week, dude, it's like they've already, they just have so much coming in every day that they're kind of just not being hit. So I'm like, dude, like, let me repackage these for everyone else who like doesn't have the ability to go spend $5,000, $10,000 a month, but they need inbound leads. And so we're basically packaging them into, nobody's ever done this before. So I'm treating them like trading card packs. It's like you get 50 leads, dude, you don't know where they're at. You don't know the market. You don't know anything. It's just like a pack of cards.
That's
okay.
Crazy.
So dude, there might be the LeBron James in there. Who knows? Okay.
There's like $100,000.
There's $100 assignment in there, dude. You don't know.
Yep.
And there's 50 leads. They're all inbound. So they've all expressed interest, and you get a pack instantly. You don't have to wait for a VA to cold call them like, you know, every day, and maybe you get one a day. Like you'll get a pack of 50 right now.
Wow.
That you could go text them all, call them all, get access and whatever. And so anyways, the way I have it currently, and I'm sure the pricing will change as time goes on, but our cheapest pack is for leads that are over 90 days old, and it's only $250.
That's crazy.
So $5 a lead inbound.
So 90 days from when they submitted.
Yeah.
Got it.
Because we don't hit it anymore.
Yep.
But those people, as you know, are still gold.
Yeah.
There's
a lot of times what I do in situations like that is the first thing I'm going to do is go to the county website and just say, okay, has it sold? Okay, no, they still got it and they're still interested. So you know.
I don't even think you need to go do all that.
I would.
Just hit them all.
Yeah, actually, you're right. Because if it's in another state and you got to find that stuff, that would be horrible.
Just hit them all.
Yeah.
But, and you know, that's the thing now too. It's like, if you follow the process the way we're now going through it, it's like, all right, we're going to close them over the phone. We can novate wherever it is.
Yep.
So like, I don't know. I just thought about it from